If you need to remove a device from your ING account, follow these simple steps to do so easily. Step 1. Log into your ING account. Open your web browser or app and enter your login credentials to access your ING account. Step 2. Navigate to Device Management. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Account Management section. Find the option labeled Device Management or similar. Step 3. Select the device. In the Device Management section, you will see a list of devices linked to your account. Identify the device you want to remove and select it. Step 4. Choose Remove or Disconnect. After selecting the device, look for an option to remove, disconnect, or delete. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the device. Confirm your choice to finalize the removal. Once you have completed these steps, the device will be successfully removed from your ING account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to ING customer support for assistance.